If you've ever used a hedge trimmer, you know that the key to a pleasant trimming experience is having a hedge trimmer that is lightweight and ergonomic. You use it to cut at a variety of angles, meaning it must be easily maneuverable and comfortable to use in any position. Here at Ryobi, we have developed the next generation of ergonomic handle to make hedge trimming even easier. Introducing the new LINEA inline handle. This new handle, designed for advanced ergonomics, combines comfort, compact design, and easy handling in one perfectly balanced package. You can find the LINEA handle on the new ONE+ 55cm Hedge Trimmer. Due to the LINEA handle, this new hedge trimmer is more compact and lighter than our current 55cm hedge trimmer. It's also better balanced, which means it'll be much more comfortable to use over time. Unlike your traditional rear handle, you can use the hedge trimmer at almost any angle while keeping your wrist straight, reducing fatigue. This unit is great for everyday maintenance due to the diamond ground blades and can take on even large, overgrown hedges with its 24mm blade gap. The LINEA handle provides all the ergonomic benefits you need, and you can cut at any angle. The included HedgeSweep makes cleanup a breeze. It'll push cut debris off the top of your hedge for you, saving time so you don't have to remove the cuttings later. If you're ready for the most comfortable hedge trimming experience yet, you can always reach for the new Ryobi LINEA Hedge Trimmer. And best of all, it's part of the ONE+ system of great tools for the home and garden.